Number 1 says 25 over a number we don't know is the same as 5. That's the same as asking 25 divided by a number we don't know equals 5, or 5 times a number we don't know equals 25. Number 2 says there are 64 marbles in a jar. All of the marbles are divided equally among 8 people. How many marbles does each person have? So 64 divided by 8 is how many? I could make 8 containers. And I could pass my items out. Or I could use my multiplication and division skills to figure that out. Number 3 says I need an equation. Remember that an equation means I have both sides of the equal sign. So they want to know, how am I going to use a multiplication equation to find the area of that square? Area is how much space it covers up. It is not the same as perimeter, which is marching around the outside. The ones in section 4 are order of operations. Order of operations we just watched a video on. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then the last thing we do is add and then subtract. And these are on the same level, you noticed. And when we get to these two, we have to make sure that we work left to right. So if I have 2 plus 4 minus 3, I have to do the one on the left first. I have to do 2 plus 4. If I have 4 minus 2 plus 3, I have to do the 4 minus 2. Addition and subtraction are the same level, but I have to do the one on the left first. So the ones that they gave you, 7 times 8 minus 5. Order of operations says I do parentheses first, so I should do the parentheses first. The next one says 22 plus 9 divided by 3. So you need to think about what comes first in order of operations, addition or division. The last section is just some computation. It's just plain numbers. We need to understand that a dot, an X, a star, those are all multiplying. if I divide, those are all division. This is also division. It's the same as 12 divided by 3.